Today we will be doing a display replacement on an RS5. The only tool you will need will be a 3mm hex tool. So begin by removing the plastic covers all the way so you have the connections exposed. So begin by just unplugging each of them, pull them apart. Like so. Now once you have all your wires unplugged, we'll go ahead and grab our 3mm hex tool and remove these two bolts. Once they are completely loose, all you have to do is open the bracket and remove your old display. Now grab your new display, open up the bracket and install it on your handlebars. Make sure it is centered and set it at the preferred angle. And tighten the 3mm bolts to tighten your display at a desired angle. Like so. And now we have to plug in each of the wires on the display. They are color coded, so all you have to do is plug it in red to red. The second wire from right to left goes to the multi-function control panel. Then the middle wire goes to the main harness right here. And the last two wires are yellow to yellow and red to red. Now once we have all plugged in, all we have to do is wrap your wires with the plastic cover. And that's it.